Oh my god, the Commonwealth Bank said that they're gonna start charging people $3 to withdraw their cash. Anyway, it's time for Advent of Code Day 3. Advent of Code. What's the link? There it is. It's time for Day 3. Let me open up that Visual Studio Code. Oh god, that's yesterday's solution. Right, we are once again solving Advent of Code with ChatGPT's help. That's right, I'm a scam. Day 3. Puzzle 1. Puzzle 2. Alright, let's see what we have in store. Our computers are having issues, so I have no idea if we have any chief historians in stock. You're welcome to what? You just put a bunch of chief historians in your warehouse? Okay. The mildly flustered shopkeeper says the mildly flustered shopkeeper at the North Pole Tubbigan rental shop. Why is this clickable? Oh, that's from 2020. Whoo! The historians head out to take a look. The shopkeeper turns to you. Any chance you can see why our computers are having issues again? The computer appears to be trying to run a program, but its memory, your puzzle input, is corrupted. All of the instructions have been jumbled up. It seems like the goal of the program is to multiply some numbers. It does that with instructions like mul x, comma y, where x and y are each 1 to 3 digit numbers. For instance, mul 44, comma 46 multiplies 44 by 46 to get a result of 2024. Similarly, mul 123, comma 4 would multiply 123 by 4. However, because the program's memory has been corrupted, there are also many invalid characters that should be ignored. Oh. So, scan the corrupted memory for uncorrupted mul instructions. What do you get if you... Of course! Of course! Alright, let's see how ChatGPT pulls this one off. I mean, like, I already have an idea in my head on how I would do it. I would, like, filter everything through, like, regex of some sort. And then get ChatGPT to write code to do the multiplication. To solve this problem, blah, 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 we need to extract blah, blah, blah. Okay, good for you. Mincemeat. The good stuff. I just realized my prompt is extremely convoluted and doesn't, and to a normal person would mean nothing at all. That's the wrong thing. One dot. Puzzle input.txt. I should probably rename all of them to puzzle input.txt to be fair. Puzzle input 2. Puzzle input 1. Puzzle input 3. Alright, now we'll just copy all this junk and paste it in. Really? Is that it? Oh! Oh, I see. I see how it's gonna be. Well, let's enter the corrupted memory. Alright, we're gonna be having some problems here. By the way, Usha is not my name. I don't know why. That should say Ushiro. Ushiro. It was a name generated off a website. I have a different generated name for basically every service that I sign up for, and then I put my real name in somewhere, hidden in somewhere, which is Adrian Chan. Do you not see the big fucking error? What? How have you already forgotten? Alright, well, we're gonna take this code then. And then we are gonna take that corrupted memory. Boom. Boom. That copy all the way across, right? Yeah. And then we're going to bottom, and it says issues. Okay. Alright. Okay. We have issues. String line is unterminated. Yes, I know it's unterminated. Shut up. There we go. Copy path. Python. That's not how you spell Python. 161. That's not the right answer. Your answer is too low. If you're stuck, make sure you're using the full input data. What do you mean? Alright. We don't talk about those. We'll go back to this. Oh, my pants is sticking to the back of my... Alright. What's the difference between that and that? It gave me the exact same code. What? Oh, did I forget to save it? I forgot to save it, didn't I? Oh, that's on me. That's not on ChatGPT. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. I do have to do this though. I don't know what kind of string this turns it into, but it immediately removes any errors. Save that as well, just in case. We're gonna close part 1, all of these. Input 2, we can close that as well. Alright, we will right click, copy path, Python, boom. Whoa! This number's gotta be right? Well done, ChatGPT. Alright, part 2. As you scan through the corrupted memory, you notice that some of the conditional statements are still intact. If you handle the uncorrupted conditional statements in the program, you might be able to get an even more accurate result. There are 2 new instructions you'll need to handle. The do thingies instruction enables future null instruction, and the don't thingy instruction disables future null instructions. Only the most do or don't instructions, a recent do or don't instruction applies at the beginning of the program, null instructions are enabled. For example, a gibbledy doubledy goopity boom. This corrupted memory is similar to the example from before, but this time the mul 5 times 5 and the mul 11 times 8 instructions are disabled because there is a don't instruction before them. The other mul instructions function normally, including the one at the end that's re-enabled by a do instruction. This time, the sum of the results is 48, 2 times 4, 5 times 8 times 5. Handle the new instructions. What do you get if you add up all the results of the enabled multiplications? Whoever came up with all these puzzles is cracked out of their mind. To handle the additional blah instructions, we will blah and make a part2.py. Also, if we go here, no, I want to make a new folder there. New folder, no, bruh. Hold up, let me cook. Boom. Why is my mouse feeling a little inconsistent? I think my mouse is dying on me. I've had this mouse for too long, aka like 1.5 years, half a year. I don't even know. Videos. Video links. Oh no, I could just make a new text file. Video links. Not txt. Okay, well, good for you. Video links dot txt. Alright, cool. Alright, ChatGPT has generated a solution, so we will copy that solution in. We will copy the corrupted input in. Nice. Lovely. Fascinating. All words used to describe why you can tab into another file, but you cannot copy paste from it. I don't know what that was. Alright, we now have our string of random gobbledygook, and we will copy the path Python, boom, 48 Python, boom. We have a number. Well done, ChatGPT. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you later. That is day 3 of Advent of Code. Bye bye.